This heats up this barn space really quickly. And probably not supposed to use this indoors, but so it's very convenient. If it goes out, that piezoelectric light is right out. Well, this torch is going to be nice. I think it's going to work well for the applications I have already in mind for it. So I plan on starting my burn piles with it instead of throwing gasoline on it or diesel fuel. But I have some immediate use I want to use this for. Sometimes it can be really wet here in Tennessee. And we got a lot of rain, over 2 inches of rain last night. And this low slope roof for this house behind me is leaking inside. And so I want to fix that with some rolled roofing material that is about 3 feet wide that we can roll on in layers. And supposedly it's really good for low slope roofing. Let's give that a try. I'm just going to dry up this valley right here. Dry up the valley a little bit. It's a little bit wet. I think it stuck well with heat, and that'll be a good base layer for this valley. Now we can put the rest of the roofing material on top of this. Okay. Alright. What we got here is CertainTeed low slope stick-on roofing material. They also make one in Gaff, but the store I got it at only has CertainTeed. It's also white. First rolled out kind of where we want it. Should be able to pull it halfway over like this. Peel off the sticky. Yeah, there we go.
We are applying rolled roofing adhesive to the edge of the roof here. We are not installing a base sheet. Instead, we are applying this top sheet right on top of the shingles, not the recommended way. Hopefully this will stick well enough after we heat it up a bit. It was very windy today. After we got the roofing material where we wanted it, then we heated it up with a propane torch to make sure we had good adhesion to the roof.
Well, these rolls have got to be 150 pounds a piece. And if you lose your balance, you got to let go of it, because that's what's going to happen. I didn't get on camera, but I was all the way up here, dropped it off. Fell right between these two joists perfectly. So now I got to repair that. try this again. Right there. Okay. Oh, let me help you. Slowly, don't drop it.
Okay, buddy.
That's where I hit. I hit right there, and it started leaning back, and I couldn't do anything.
If you roll that down, it's like Home Alone.
Totally. All right, we're almost finished up here. We're just gonna do this quarter half of the roof here.
What?
I'm talking to the camera. And I mean, we're not worried about beauty, obviously, on this project. We just want to eliminate all the leaks. And it's primarily leaking from down here. I've overlapped the roof quite a bit, and I'm gonna go back and seal underneath the drip edge as well. Just kind of documenting what we're doing here. And hopefully we will have no more leaks. So let's go on inside real quick. I did not bring you guys in here when I was patching this, but this is obviously the inside where the leaks were coming right through the roof, and so I patched them up. You know, I got a little more work I got to do in here. Finish up. Okay, let's see if we can fix this. Oh man, that's not rotten. That's good. $15 3/4. Since this is so close to the edge, I'm going to drill a few pilot holes in here. Okay, I think that'll do it. Made a little mess there.
I'm using a little bit of gasoline here to help dissolve some of this roofing adhesive that fell on the porch.
Just got some lightning. Okay, here comes the thunder. Turned the camera on a second too late. Anyway, we didn't get this roof up just in the nick of time. It's been about 2 days, maybe 3, can't remember. But we got about at least 1.5 inches of rain coming down today. And I wanted to come over and check out this, the drainage from the top of this roof. So it's, you can see, let me back up a little bit. Everything looks like it's draining pretty well so far. So this is my main concern from the bottom. You can see all the rain coming off here. I don't see any rain going up. Let me get you from this angle. Oh, it looks like all the rain is coming right off the edge of that roofing cap piece we put on there. That's exactly what I want to happen. That's why I stuck it over about 1 inch, you know, so wouldn't have any chance of that, you know, kind of crawling itself back up onto that roof. So I can't go inside right now, but you know, I'll go inside later today or tomorrow and see if there's any type of dripping on the inside. I hope there's not, and we can call this project complete. I'm not going to get up on there either. But there you have it. I guess I'll go ahead and close out this video, guys. The torch is wonderful. The torch cost me about $50, I think, maybe a little bit less. So there's another lightning storm. Probably shouldn't be out here. Worked well for this roof. Hopefully this roof will hold up. You know, I'll know by the end of the day today, as it's supposed to continually rain for several more hours here. I'm more worried about the septic at this point. The ground is all soggy and the toilets are starting to gurgle, so it's one of those things, man. You live in an old house, always something to deal with. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, let's see if we can wind this up, well, kind of like Farmcraft 101 does it. I forgot how he does it. Let me see if I can. Is that it? This way. Come on. It. Oh man, how did all this happen?